After a very careful observation and analysis of the politics that inspired the Zimbabwe liberation struggle, it became apparent with a painful introspection that the nationalist politicians betrayed the struggle in no small measure. Sanapita mashoko kudatoka panguva inoi at the driving force and the reality behind Geza revolution. Don't was subscribe or like or the bell icon. Tipita mzimu ayamdanyira chiti. Characteristically, our struggle was initially headed by an elitist nationalist class of educated literate class of individuals who were fortunate enough to receive Western education provided by Christian mission schools in the main and very little of government funding of black education. Given the racist nature of colonial administration and the accompanying glorification of Western values and ethics, it was not far-fetched to produce an educated black elite class which embedded and embraced the Eurocentric values and ethics espoused by institutions in colonial and political Zimbabwe. The Geza revolution is about restoring the dignity of the people of Zimbabwe on the face of an unrelenting onslaught, first by our erstwhile colonizers and now by our own black enslavers, some of whom were part of the struggle but with ideas, agendas, which are now manifesting in various formations. One man, one foot under universal adult suffrage was the clarion call during early decades of nationalism, which informed the struggle in its decisive military and diplomatic phases to independence. The above was basis of national sovereignty and personal sovereignty, which bestows the right to choose our own leaders directly and not through proxies. The scariest ideals are now under threat, and the Geza revolution is to confront such wicked shenanigans head-on. This is non-partisan revolution whose success is hinged on the popular participation of the citizens regardless of partisan, tribal, ethnic, and regional prejudices and biases, no sexist or religious considerations, but only premised on the rule of law. We believe in a comprehensive reset of national priorities to maximize benefits accrual to all Zimbabweans and to wage an unrelenting moral crusade against all forms of corruption. No to business cartels and oligarchies. Our land and all that is in it belongs to the people of Zimbabwe, and they have every right to access it, unfettered by any spurious and unscrupulous legislation pertaining to its use and ownership. For this is why the struggle was waged, not to capture of public institutions by guerrilla politicians and their business mafioso connections. The Geza revolution believes that only the military as an institution should have the power of being the institution of last resort and appeal in the event that self-serving politicians vouchers seek to cannibalize the sanctity of the constitution and erode individual sovereignty, which feeds into national sovereignty for the Geza revolution by Comrade Nox Chivero. No mashwantongo pangwa ino na Nox Chivero anova awa another Geza ally pangwa ino anoya achiya exposer achiya achinya kubudisa pachena kuti chinomozi the Geza revolution and the betrayal yakambobva papi zvaita kuti varise. Bhera kuma section medu dzafundo imo tudiva muzoro pechitiko ichi. Usana subscribe or like, cheta on the bell icon.